Hey everyone, another cooking tip I thought I'd share that I thought of on my own. I'm not sure if anyone else does this or has shared it yet online. Um, it's just basically this is duck lard. We did a big duck roast and I found there was a lot of like this lard at the bottom of the casserole at the end, and it looked really clean. As you can see, it's very consistent. It's basically all just burnt off fat, and it's not burnt. So basically, it's good for cooking, great for cooking, for stocks and soup, or in this case, I'm using it for some home cut fries, and I'll be adding a cube to my pot of olive oil. I like to fry in olive oil. It's a bit healthier. So obviously you'll waste less and you will have more flavor in your fries. So here we are with our fries frying with a bit of olive oil and a couple of cubes of our duck lard. And got some ready over there already.